Welcome to Toyota Time with Timmy the Toolman and Sean. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to install the French doors in the existing opening that I have on this building. Remember, the old one was a sliding kind of barn door. It's right over there. And that thing is really drafty and kind of a pain in the butt to use. So having a regular double French door that locks with a deadbolt is going to be way better for security and for insulating, keeping the heat in and the air conditioning in and the cold and heat out. So my buddy Nick that I met when I moved here is a general contractor, and he's going to be the brains behind this operation, and I'm going to help out where I could help out.
So I'm Nick with Loper Construction, and I moved here a year ago. I've been a contractor in California for 8 years, and I'm now a contractor in Oregon. If you need any services, call 805-698-5714. Thanks.
So I met Nick's wife on Nextdoor. She saw my post about moving here with my wife, Allison, and I mentioned that I needed some work done to a shop, and then she's put me in contact with Nick, and now we're buddies. We've seen karaoke together. We haven't gone Brokeback camping yet, but I don't think that's going to happen. And there it is there. Yeah, so he's a good resource for me here, and he has a Tundra, this one right here, and I'm going to help him do some work on it once I get the shop up and running. So there it is there. We're going to get this door installed.
And I'll have you swing your side over to the other side. No, out that way. Push in a little more. Now you're going to want to hold by a hinge or something so it doesn't fall in. Okay. Okay. Can you hold that there? I'm going to go inside, take a look at it. Yep.
So what is that, Nick, that you're using?
This is Protecto Wrap Bitchethane glue.
Protecto Wrap what?
Bitchethane glue.
Bitchethane glue?
Yep, and it's basically just like spray glue.
Spray glue, okay.
Helps things stick. Don't want to stick.
Nick's gonna put the same type of barrier down here because he doesn't know if the aluminum threshold is gonna have some type of adverse reaction with the copper, like electrolysis. So, and it will corrode. Oh, so you're gonna have them overlap, huh?
Yeah, that way water flows down.
And the insulators are playing some of my favorite music.
A little bit, there we go. Okay, now we'll kind of pick up. Bring it in. I'm gonna pull it in a little bit. Can you hold that bottom on my side right there? Right there? I want you to hold it in. Put your foot against it, and now I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Oh, there we go. Okay. Just hold both sides, you good there? And I'm gonna level it.
It's like way in on the top though.
Yeah, that's okay. I'll move it around. I can move it. Hey, Tim. Yeah. See if you can't kick the bottom side that you were pushing in a little bit.
This one?
Yep. A little more, a little more. Yep, keep going. Okay, right there is pretty good. Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
should be able to let it go. I'm gonna do some shims and screws now. I think we're gonna trim it in through here, through there, and then we'll put a bigger piece of trim. You won't even know.
All right, so here's the French door installed. Nick did a good job. There is this railing that was for the barn door, and for right now, I'm just gonna leave it because as it is, it might be a nice little rain cover to keep moisture coming right on top of the door. So just gonna keep that for right now. And then he trimmed it out nicely, and then you're gonna have to fill in the holes for the finish nails with putty, and we're gonna do a little bit of caulking on either side, but I think it turned out pretty damn good. Open the sucker up. And then the door from Home Depot comes with the hinges already for the door that you normally don't open. You can open up this side. So got a nice wide opening now, so I can move gear in and out of there if I want to, or just move it out through the garage door. But it is nice that both doors open up for a bigger opening. So now this building is way more secure, more insulated, and I won't have to worry as much with rodents getting in to the building. So once it's sheetrocked, I really don't want any rodents getting into the walls or anything of that nature. And then I redid the vents on the roof eaves on the tall and short side because there was openings in these, and so I stapled up wire mesh on the inside of all of the roof vents. There was 12 of them total. So there it is there. I now have a nice new entry and exit door to the shop. I'm stoked. With all that said, peace out. Happy wrenching. Happy French door installing. Bye-bye.